What up, Effinaires? It's exciting days.
Hell yeah, it is.
We are proving out a female, but first off, big shout out to Reggie. He's helped us out a lot with a lot of different things.
Hell
we
yeah,
appreciate
Reggie.
him.
Thank you very much, sir.
Hell yeah. So,
show the parents real quick.
Yeah. So the female is a Mojave Fire Asphalt or Yellow Belly. Hopefully Asphalt. But she's pretty. Hey girl.
She's already eaten several meals since laying, so that's always good.
Yep. And she's a first-time mama, and she actually put out 7 eggs.
8 eggs.
8 eggs.
Yes.
And then the daddy.
Oh yeah.
Of course. The one and only Steezy Allen.
Fresh out of shed.
Still bucking and ready to go.
Right.
He likes working. So, we do have a pipper. Let's see what these are all about.
Come on, super asphalts. But, you know, freeways would be awesome too.
Yes. So, 8 eggs, you can either pick the one that's hipped already or go for something different. And who goes first?
Should we just take maybe that one out of the equation and whatever the last one is out of the equation?
You could do that too.
Maybe just choose 3 each.
Right.
Why don't you go first?
All right.
Do you want to take care of this one first and just see what...
You can do that. Hi, little guy.
Or girl.
Hopefully girl. Yeah, but, I mean, a whole bunch of people walk in, you call them guys.
Yeah, right.
You made this hard, huh? Oh, there he goes.
That's a weird little word.
Might as well use the big scissors now.
Dun dun dun. Ooh, I think freeway.
That looks like a freeway.
Yep.
That's like a fire freeway.
So it looks like she's probably yellow belly.
Probably yellow belly.
I was thinking fire too, so. Awesome. Hey.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. One of us should have took that egg. So, which one am I going for? I'm going for that one, actually. You go ahead. I'll go for one of these ones. We had 2 that weren't trying to come apart.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they actually leaked just a tiny, tiny bit, I think.
Huh.
So, I'm going to try one of these. That might be Mojave Fire. What am I doing? Like I said, these are exciting times, people.
Heck yeah. Long freeway. Ooh, looks a little darker.
Ooh.
Wow. Maybe
Mojave Obviously, asphalt.
Maybe wood fired? It looks
Maybe.
dark.
It does have that bright colored stripe down it, though.
It sure doesn't look like the other Mojave asphalts we produced before. Huh.
Right?
Okay, the plot thickens.
Oh, it could be vanilla still, too.
No, because it's fire.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
the
yeah,
fire
yeah,
girl.
yeah, that's right.
We didn't
All right. Well, that's interesting. That's cool.
That looks very cool.
Right. And yes, I am shaking, and you probably did catch that. Which one are you going for, Fred?
Oh, let's go for the other one that was attached
All right.
to that one. Boy, that thing looks interesting.
Yes, it does. We might have to contact the person we got these from and see if they remember what all was in the pairing. Were these ones Hershey?
Yeah, Hershey Exotics, Justin Hershey. Ooh, another dark-looking one. Ooh, now that looks definitely Mojave and asphalt, obviously.
Right. I think I might be winning. That other one looks like it might have another gene on top of it.
Right, the other one has some weird designs on the side.
All right.
Huh, interesting.
All right, my turn again. Let's go for this one. The egg longer.
I would say that one almost looks like the biggest one.
Ooh, this guy's kicking and bucking. Don't worry, I'm coming, I'm coming. Hey, work with me, damn it. All right, fine. We'll just get down to it, because that's what you want to do. This guy's not going to let me inch and squeeze. That looks like that first one, kind of.
Ooh, that one just looks like asphalt, I think.
Maybe
Not-
asphalt fire?
Maybe, yeah. I'm not seeing Mojave in that one, though.
Oh, I don't know. Look at those eggs.
Oh, maybe. Huh. I'd say the first one's just like right there, look kind of blocky, but
Right, yeah. Huh.
yeah, it does look kind of fire.
Maybe that's the fire cleaning it up in that area.
Maybe.
Because like over here, you can see the alien heads too, and those look Mojave-esque.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see. I think it kind of looks like, maybe not actually. That one does look funky. And yes, I'm still shaking.
Let's go with this one.
You got it.
Even though I'm not too sure who's winning.
I'm not either. It's still fun though.
Well,
I think the
I think
one that neither of us called is still winning.
yeah, exactly, because that's the only freeway, right?
Yeah, I think that one might even be Fire Mojave Freeway.
That would be cool.
Which means like that would be all of it, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Fire Mojave,
Yep.
yeah, freeway. We need more of those. Come on, good snake. Well, they're all good snakes. Ooh, I think you just pulled the fuck ahead.
Ooh.
That was like another fucking
Now
freeway.
seeing that one looks a little darker, I want to say, than the...
Like maybe it doesn't help. Well, I don't
Maybe
know.
not. It does look kind of light on the sides, I suppose.
It
Yeah,
definitely
that
is
might
looking
be
like
a-
a freeway though.
Right?
I think you're winning.
Cool.
All right, hey,
Two
catch up.
freeways now. So we need two more to hit the odds.
Right? This one's talking to me, but I don't know what it's saying. Man, this one's a tighter egg.
Shit's tight, right?
Toy. Not a freeway.
Man, all these are looking nice. That's definitely Mojave, I think. Mojave asphalt. Maybe fire, but it looks kind of
looking
dark.
fiery.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. A lot of these are looking very similar.
Actually, that does look a little lighter than like this one over here, so kind of down does have fire.
Everything is looking very, very similar. That's for sure. All right, where are you
let's
going?
go with this one.
Okay. And Fred's
Oh,
going to get another one.
let's
Come
see.
on.
Well, we need these next two to be freeways to hit the odds.
That means you're really winning. Because this is the last egg in play.
Oh, right, because that last one just gets cut. That's right.
So we need you to really pull ahead.
Right? I don't think
No.
so. Ooh, that's definitely fire. Fire asphalt.
Right? That one might be just fire asphalt.
Yeah, I don't think that one's Mojave. That'll be a good one, though, for some
Right?
shit.
Come on, come on, come on.
Might maybe us, shit. Yeah, we need at least one more freeway. Come on.
Come on, freeway. Come on. I want to go play on the freeway. I'm sure there's some haters out there that want me to go play on the freeway. Ooh,
There's
looks like
the
it
freeway.
is.
All
Boom.
right. Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
3 freeways.
Sweet. Ooh, not too bad. Hopefully. Now we just gotta hope we hit the odds on the females.
Yeah. So thank you very much for joining us.
Hell yeah.
We appreciate y'all. And please leave your respectful comments in the comment section. You
Or
can leave nasty ones too.
yeah, leave nasty ones too. Those are fun.
Hell, the haters watch more.
Right on.
Peace out, everybody.